Hi, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel Pro Asghar Habib. Dear fans, as you know, I always come available project, related to crypto token, NFT project, mining website, plate ones, and a lot of more. Dear fans, today I am discussing about a very valuable crypto meme project that is called Autumn. So this is the charity project, and in this video I will tell you how can you grab this opportunity. So don't skip any part of this video. So before going to start further review, I would request, if you are new on my YouTube channel Pro Asghar Habib, so please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for further notification of all upcoming videos notifications. So let's start the review now. So first of all, on the coindesk.com we can also find out a press release. NBA champions Lamar Odom's launch anti-addictions meme coins, sparking disruptive innovations in Web3. Here we can also check out that NBA champions and global recognized public welfare advocate Lamar Odom's has officially announced the launch of a groundbreaking Web3 project and anti-addictions themed meme coins issued on the Solana blockchain. More than just a cryptocurrency, this initiative representative revolutions, integrations of blockchains, transparency, and global social good. So here we can also check out this project is jointly supported by Nasdaq listed company Alpha Technology Group Limited and other aligned institutions aiming to build the world first blockchain driven philanthropy model. Here we can also learn the missions is the coin has a total supply of 300 trillion tokens, and with a fully transparent allocations plan and 5% ongoing support for global drug rehabilitation centers and mental health educations unlocked when market cap reached 10 billions dollar as well. So the 5% will be allocated to Lamar Odom personally with a strict vesting schedule until the market cap hits 15 billions dollar, demonstrating a long-term commitment, and 10% initiative for early LP provided to enhance market depth and liquidity, and 20% special allocation for the Trump dinner program where user take Trump's token view smart contracts receive 100% of their tokens back plus the queen airdrop. So this is an awesome news. 60% fully circulating in the open market, no lookup, no reserve to supply, healthy early stage trading. Here you can also check out the breakthrough in meme coin utility, and this is backed by real asset. And you also check out the social good meets finance and upgrade community mechanism, regulatory transparency and compliance, and global expansions, and many more details. Check out. You can also find out this press release link in my video description, and the official website is autumncoin.com, and you can also find out this link in my video description. Here on the right side you can also select your wallet, like that your MetaMask, or you can also find out the Phantom, Solfair, Token Pocket, Trust, Bitget, Coinbase, and many more. Here you can also choose anyone, you can also connect, but you must have some Trump in your wallet, and you can also participate in race to the Autumn's versus Trump dinner. You can also win Autumn tokens and submit your Trump token now to unlock in your exclusive seat as well. So DFS 100% token will be refunded after the events, and you will receive Autumn's token, and remaining dinner seat will be auctions and proceed will injected into the Autumn's LP as well. Here you can also find out the address and timer, and you can also buy now with your debit card or cryptocurrency. You can easily use this platform to buy Trump's token, and you can also buy with Moonshot as well. Here you need to enter your Trump token amount now, how much you want to be submit, like that. If you want to be spent 100 or 10,000 Trump, then you need to submit, but must you connect your wallet first, and then you can do. Here you can connect the wallet first here. And dear fans, on May 13 all Trump's token will be fully refunded post event, and with your exclusive Autumn's token airdrop included as well. Here you also check out about made for the subers and the world first meme coins with a missions to combat drug abuse as well. Here you can also learn more information about the project and learn out, and you can also check the addictions crisis, a silent, a social plugs, and over you can also check out the all detail and silent collapse under temptations. You can also check out the Autumn's core values like that the sobriety and disciplines and rebirth detail. And defense Autumn is more than just a reflection of Lamar Autumn spirits, and it's the name of countless and individuals still fighting in the depth, yearning for a life of sobriety, and they don't chase a buzzword, and they aim to rebuild sobriety and discipline through true on-chain consensus as well. Here you also check out the token mix model. You can also check out the token name is Autumn and total supply is mentioned here, and you can also check out its distributions, and 5% allocated to social impact and founder incentives, and LP liquidity pool for 10% and 20% for Trump dinner event. You can also participate in this event and grab this opportunity, and 60% market circulation, and this is the token will be fully allocated to public market circulating, and they will no reserve or lock token and ensuring ample liquidity for the initiative issuance as well. You can also join autumns and make a difference and start a global awakening movement for sovereignty cultures. You can also buy autumn's tokens, spread the influence, engage in co-governance purpose ideas, and become a sovereignty ambassador as well. You can also claim autumn's token in this reward, and you can also fill out your form here, and you need to put your token address and connect your wallet and claim your exclusive reward once eligible as well. So it is very simple and easy way, and you can also connect your wallet just in 30 seconds to claim your reward in airdrop here as well. But do your own research and public missions and social responsibility detail you can also check out, and this is just about the promising and visibility ancient at every step, and defense the issuance of the DOMS token is just a beginning, and they will allocated 5% of Odom token to continuously supported projects such as the drug rehabilitation center, mental health educations, and more. And leveraging the transparency and trust of blockchains, they aim transform the power of sovereignty into tangible changes as well. They are trying to addiction rehabilitation center assistance and mental health educations, and they are also using the fund youth anti-drug program to control it right here. You can also join their community and get stay updated with their latest news and updates about this amazing coins. And you can also find out the frequently asked question. If you have any other question, you can make comments and I will reply to all of you. And defense I recommended to all of you must be follow them on their telegram group to get latest news and updates, and must be follow them on their Facebook and learn more detail about this project and learn detail here as well. And you can also check out their previous posts related to this amazing project on the Instagram and follow them, and must be follow them on their X account to get latest news and update related to this amazing project. And you can also find out their live news and update related to this amazing project. So dear fans, this is the awesome project and the charity, you must be join this one, and also like this video with your friend and family and relatives. And I hope so you like this video and share your friends. See you next video. Thanks for watching.